In this demo, I'll show you how an open mic host can manage their own events. From the home page, click the Hosts button on the menu at the lower left corner. This will take you to the host login page. Here you will enter your credentials and click Login. This will take you to the home page for your group. For this demo, we will be using our demo group, Cherry Street Brewing. Here we are at the home page for your group. At the bottom of this page, you'll see information about your upcoming event. Select the My Event menu option. For this demo, we're only covering the basic features of managing your event. We'll look at changing the date and the event description. We'll also cover opening and closing player registration. First, let's look at changing the date. Simply click the Date control and select the new date for your event, and click the Save button. You'll now see the new date for your event on the home page. Let's click the My Event menu option again. Now, we're going to change the event title. Go to the event title field and enter the new value. Then, click the Save button. You'll see the new event title on the bottom of the home page. Now, I'm going to show you how to open and close player registration for your group. Click the My Event menu option again. In the middle of the page, you will see a setting called Is Registration Open? To close player registration, uncheck the checkbox and click the Save button. When you return to the home page, you'll see the player registration is closed. Now that we have closed player registration for our group, I'm going to log out as the host and try to register as a player for this group so that you can see a player sees when they try to register for your group. I'll click the Register button. You can see that player registration is closed for Cherry Street Brewing. If I click Cherry Street Brewing, I get a message that tells me that player registration is closed. Let's log in again as host and reopen player registration. You can click the logo at the top of this page to return to the Open Mic home page anytime. Now, we'll log back in as the host of this group. Click the Hosts button and enter your credentials on the host login page and click Continue. Then, we'll select the Events menu option and open player registration back up. Select the My Event menu option. On the middle of the page, we'll see the setting for Is Registration Open? Make sure the checkbox is checked, and then click the Save button. You'll now see that player registration is now open. Now that player registration is open for your group, we'll see that the players are now able to register. You'll see that the registration status is open for Cherry Street Brewing. You'll see that I'm now able to register for this group. Once I select the group, I'm able to continue the player registration process. Let's return back to the home page by click the Open Mic logo. I want to quickly review some other features on the My Events page. I didn't show you these features, because I only wanted to cover the basics. Let's log back in as the host, and I'll show you these other settings. Enter your credentials on the host login page, and click Continue. Let's select the My Event option once more. Here are the settings I want to make you aware of. First, you can put an entire event on hold by unchecking this first checkbox. This setting is labeled, Do you have an upcoming event? Next, you can change the event type to another type of event, such as comedy or poetry. This next setting allows you to control whether or not this event will be streamed. Another setting allows you to control whether this event will be archived. If archiving is selected, all performances for this event will be available for future playback. That's all I have for this demo. I'm going to log out now and return to the home page. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next demo.